Hello everyone, my name is Joanna Marie Plaza and I'm going to report on reading in Philippine history. Today I will be discussing the agrarian reform of President Duterte. Duterte administration. The Duterte administration made significant strides in agrarian reform with the Department of Agrarian Reform or DAR, distributing over 515,000 hectares of land more than 405,800 farmers nationwide. This achievement is part of Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program, or CARP, which aims to redistribute land from large landholders to small farmers and landless rural workers. Boost of high land performance, alienable and disposable lands of the public domain, and unused agricultural government-owned lands, and also private agricultural lands. Policies of President Duterte. Number 1. War on drugs. A crackdown on illegal drugs that led to the deaths of 6,600 people and the arrest of 22,000 suspects. That campaign was widely criticized for alleged human rights abuses. Number 2. Free college education. Implementation of free college education in states, universities, and colleges. Number 3. Build, a massive infrastructure program aimed at boosting economic growth and reducing poverty.